If you are wondering how to view locked chats on WhatsApp but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can easily view locked chats on WhatsApp. And here's how to do it. So watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out. First, open your WhatsApp app. If the locked contacts or chats are not visible, swipe down on the screen. A lock chat option will appear. Tap on it. You'll be prompted to unlock the chats using your preferred method, such as a fingerprint or passcode or even Face ID. Once unlocked, you'll be able to see your locked chats. Now, the another way is go to Settings on the bottom right corner. On the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Privacy. Once in the Privacy Options section, scroll down and tap on Chat Lock. Now here, you can tap the option Unlock and clear the locked chats. But make sure that after you tap the settings, this will clear up all the messages, photos, videos from your chat. So be careful and do this. And that's it for this video on how you can access locked chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.